मुंबई की बारिश, शाहरुख का बंगला और एक तेज रफ्तार जिंदगी। महाराष्ट्र के बारे में जब सोचो तो सबसे पहले मुंबई जहन में आता है, एज इट्स इंडियाज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल एंड कमर्शियल सेंटर्स। ऊपर से बॉलीवुड का ग्लैमर, हार्ड टू इग्नोर, राइट? But there's another side of Maharashtra which is rather unexplored. Do you know that Maharashtra's coastline stretches to a glorious 720 kilometers, and along it are many pristine beaches worth exploring? Don't believe me? Come along. I am taking you about 500 kilometers away from the capital city, Mumbai, to a place called Malvan. Located in the Sindhudurg district of Maharashtra and known for its pristine waters, Malvan is a paradise for beach lovers. One of the most alluring things about the Tarkarli beach is its pristine natural beauty. White sand and one of the few stretches where you actually get to see right through the crystal clear waters. But what makes these beaches truly magical are the occasional sighting of dolphins and turtles. And now I've come to a local restaurant called Tamhankar to try some of the authentic Malwani food. अब मैंने सुना है कि मालवन एरिया की फिश करी बहुत ही ज्यादा टेस्टी होती है, so I ordered that along with a local थाली. Let's see what else they have in store for me.
यहाँ पे हम लोगों को प्रिफर थालीस करते हैं, जो मालवन की स्पेशलिटी रहती है. स्टार्टर्स, बटर गार्लिक, कॉन्टिनेंटल, वो भी फिश में हम लोगों के पास बहुत सारी वैरायटीज है, जिसमें क्रैब रहेगा, पॉम्फ्रेट, तंदूर रहेगा, बटर गार्लिक, गोल्डन फ्राई जैसे बहुत सारी वैरायटीज रहते हैं.
If you have time, you must also visit the Tsunami Island, also known as the Kurte Island, which is a small secluded island in the Arabian Sea just off the coast of Malvan. The island derives its name from a popular belief that it was formed due to the massive tsunami that hit the region in 2004. Today, people come here for water sports and to enjoy nature. And now, time for the most exciting bit, scuba diving. Sunsets are specially endearing at the Tarkarli beach, and the beauty of this place is only enhanced in the diffused light of the dusk. A haven of natural serenity, Tarkarli Beach is a paradise in its own right. Well, this is just one of the hidden gems in Maharashtra. But if you love beaches, then I suggest कि अपने अगले holiday पर you must also explore places like Alibag, Ratnagiri and so many other hidden gems in Maharashtra.